Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! Hope everyone is enjoying their New Year so far. Well, today's gonna be a vlog for you guys. Usually in Guyana for New Year's, everyone would go to the Kashif and Shanghai football match. That has been happening for the past 20 something years. Every New Year's they would normally have a football match, and then after the football match they would have like bring like different artists, international artists, and you have like a nice show. But they haven't done that. I think like in the past 3 to 4 years or so they had stopped the Kashif and Shanghai football, but it returned this year. So it wasn't open like to the public, but it was like an invitation. Yeah, only who had invitation could go to the game. It was like a social distance game. But if you guys want to watch the full game, you can go to the Guyana Ministry of Sports Facebook page, or you can go to Kashif and Shanghai Facebook page and you'll see the full football match. It's it's Georgetown versus Linden. All right. So I decided I wasn't even sure if I was gonna vlog. Actually, I didn't had planned on vlogging, but as I was there, like, why not? So I'm gonna show you guys a little tour of the Guyana National Stadium. Also, I'm going to show you guys a tour of the presidential suite and a little clips from the game and so. And I hope you guys like this video. Give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this New Year's Eve vlog from me. Alright, enjoy guys. National Stadium. View here. The field. And this is where I was sitting. Hey guys, so I'm at the National Stadium and we have Kashif and Shanghai football. So here goes. Playing, but rain drizzling. The camera really picking it up too much. Ooh, coming down more. Rain falling, guys. That was halftime show anyway, so everybody had to, all the players had to run off the field. Rain, rain, rain. Yeah, I might get the money. Jackson 1, Linden 0. I don't tell who win already. Guys, I'm drinking some wine. The wine named Barefoot. This is a long time. Now doing the presentation. Georgetown got 1 and Lillian got 0. So they're doing the presentation up there. He's the best player. He gets a trophy. And I'm going to ask the dog to remain right here because you all congratulations to Mr. Benjamin. Nice and big. Everyone in the team is getting a medal. This is the Georgetown All-Star team. Everyone is going to get a medal. So guys, I'm leaving the National Stadium now. The football finish. Me and my girlfriend drink 2 bottles of wine. It was good. Not sure what we're doing after here, but I'll let you guys know. So we're heading on the field now, guys. Ooh, it's wet. Rainfall earlier. Watch it, Andy. Knock out there. Alright guys, so I'll give you a view of the field. So this is a view of the National Stadium field. It's very big, guys. Andy, you should take one out on the field. Do one for me. He's a photographer. So I'm still walking on the field here, guys. Tired, guys. I need the exercise. My face is greasy. This is the field, guys. So there's a different part of the stadium here. This is we got the fancy soft seats. I guess this is where the this part is where I guess the VIPs to stay. I don't know. Oh, we're going to the food section, guys. Foodie. Good, I good. And we have salad too, guys. Heading to the washroom now, guys. So guys, this is like different section of the stadium. Alright guys, so this is what I got. Fried rice, chow mein, macaroni salad, and look like baked chicken. Then in here I have some juice and some vodka. And I'm in the presidential suite, guys. I thought it was a VIP suite, but it's the presidential suite. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the stadium now. Roll and vlog it. Yeah, I'm leaving the stadium now, guys. I just eat a whole plate of food. Niggerite is stepping in, guys. Whew. I could hardly walk. I eat too much food, guys. What kind of park it is, though? Alright, guys, heading to the car now. I hit the road. I'm gonna give you guys a view of the East Bank going down.